Colorizing old photos is a process that involves adding color to black and white or sepia-toned photographs to create a more vibrant and realistic appearance. With advancement in technology, it has become easier to colorize old photos using various digital tools and software. My name is Maddie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to colorize black and white photos on any device you have. Let's start. You can install this amazing application on any operating system you have, and all the steps are the same. Like all the videos, I put the download link for you in the description. For example, in Android, open Play Store. After that, search Colorize. Download and install this application. Now let me show you how to work with this amazing application. Open the app. In the first step, tap on Quick Start. Now it's time to try it. Skip the tutorial, and because we want to use this application for free, tap on skip again. You can always subscribe later. To accept the term of use, select I understand and I agree. Now it's time to upload my old photo. To select our photo, choose while using the app. For example, I have photo in my gallery that I want to select. Let me choose it. Nice, in only 1 second, I love it. Let's look at the features of this application. It's automatic, just add black and white photos. Scan a black and white photo or upload one from your camera roll. Just a single tap automatically adds color to your monochromatic photo. And your photo is ready, very simple and fast. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe now, channel to find out how to features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.